The long-awaited Minecraft 2 is finally here. Okay, not really, but I'm working on a game in the voxel genre, and in this video I'm going to show you my progress so far. Hey guys, 2 months ago I started work on my new voxel engine. I'm developing a game like Minecraft, but it's also a bit different. I already started to make models like this Apache helicopter, tried making a castle wall with the detailed edges. There's others, but the largest one so far is this train station. This other smaller helicopter just for testing, and I tried to make a car. And at this point in development, I'm going to ask you guys for a small favor, to use the thanks button at the bottom of this video. And if you like where this project is going so far, you can submit a small donation in any amount you want. All of this is optional, of course.